Okay, students. Okay, students. Problem. Find the find the find the length of tangent. Find the length of tangent. Find the length of tangent from 1 comma 3 to the circle x square plus y square minus 2x plus 4y minus 11 is equal to 0. Find the length of tangent from 1 comma 3 to the circle x square plus y square minus 2x plus 4y minus 11 is equal to 0. Power of the point is equal formula S11. Length of tangent is equal formula root S11. Power of the point is equal formula S11. So yesterday we discussed length of tangent is equal formula root S11. So root S11. This point is x1 y1. This is S. So S is equal to x square plus y square minus 2x plus 4y minus 11. Point P 1 comma 3. So this point is x1 y1. Length of tangent is equal formula root S11. First calculate S11. S11 is equal formula x1 square plus y1 square minus 2x1 plus 4y1 minus 11. This is S11. Here x1 y1 is equal 1 comma 3. x1 is equal 1, y1 is equal to 3. So 1 square plus 3 square minus 2 into x1 is equal 1 plus 4 into y1 is equal to 3 minus 11. That is equal to 1 square 1 plus 9 minus 2 plus 12 minus 11. So 1 plus 9, 10, 10 plus 12, 22, 22 minus 13. 22 minus 13 is equal to 22 minus 13. 9. So that is equal to 9. So find length of tangent. So length of tangent is equal formula. Length of tangent is equal to formula root S11. Length of tangent is equal formula root S11. Root S11 is equal 9. Root 9 is equal to 3. Next question. Next problem. If the length of tangent, if the length of tangent, if the length of tangent from 5 comma 4 to the circle x square plus y square plus 2ky is equal to 0 is 1. Find k. Find k. Next question. If the length of tangent from 5 comma 4 to the circle x square plus y square plus 2ky is equal to 0 is 1. Find k. Here given length of tangent is equal 1. So length of tangent is equal formula length of tangent. So length of tangent is equal formula root S11. So root S11 is equal to 1 here. Root S11 is equal 1. So root S11 is equal formula root S11. This is S. S11 is equal to x1 square plus y1 square plus 2k y1 is equal to 1. Here x1 y1, this is x1, this is y1. x1 is equal to 5, y1 is equal to 4. Substitute in place of x1 5, y1 4, root of x1 square 5 square plus y1 square 4 square plus 2k into y1 is equal to 4 is equal to 1. Okay. Next, squaring on both sides, 5 square 25 plus 16 plus 8k is equal to 1. 25 plus 16 is equal. 25 plus 16 is equal 41. So 8k is equal to 1 minus 41. So 8k is equal to minus 40. K is equal to minus 5. Okay, so next problem. If the next question, if the length of tangent from point 2 comma 5, next problem, if the length of tangent from 2 comma 5 to the circle x square plus y square, x square plus y square minus 5x plus 4y plus k is equal to 0. K is equal to 0 is root 37 is root 37, then find k. Is root 37, then find k. Same similar model. Here, given length of tangent is equal to root 37. So given length of tangent formula root S11. So root S11 is equal to root 37. Squaring on both sides, S11 is equal to 37. S11, this is S. S11 is equal to x1 square plus y1 square minus 5x1 plus 4y1 plus k is equal to 37. 37. x1 y1, x1 is equal to 2, y1 is equal to 5, x1 is equal to 2, 2 square, y1 is equal to 5, 5 square minus 5 into x1 2 plus 4 into y1 5 plus k is equal to 37. 2 square plus 5 square minus 5 into 2 plus 4 into 5 plus k is equal to 37. Is equal to 37. 4 plus 25 minus 10 plus 4 into 5, 20 plus k is equal to 37. 20, 25, 45, 45 for 49, 49 minus 10, 49 minus 10 minus 37, 49, 49 minus 10, 30, 49 minus 10, 39. So 39 plus k is equal to 37. K is equal to 37 minus 39 minus 2. If a point P is moving, if a point P is moving such that the length of tangents drawn from P to the circles x square plus y square plus 8x plus 12y plus 15 is equal to 0, and x square plus y square minus 4x minus 6y minus 12 is equal to 0 are equal, then find the equation of Then find the equation of locus of P. Then find the equation of locus of P. If a point P is, if a point, locus of point P is moving such that the length of tangents drawn from P to the circles are equal, length of tangents are equal. Here, what is the condition? First, taking the point, let P x1, y1, let P x1, y1. First point, P x1, y1. Length of tangent is equal formula root S11. Here, length of tangent from first circle and second circle are equal. Length of tangent from first point P to the circle 1. Length of tangent from point P to the circle 1 is circle 1, and length of tangent from point P to the second circle are equal. Length of tangents are equal. Find the equation of locus of P. Here, first circle is, I am taking first circle, let S is equal to x square plus y square plus 8x plus 12y plus 15. So first circle is denoted by S. Second circle is denoted by S dash. S dash is equal to x square plus y square minus 4x minus 6y minus 12. So length of tangent is equal to length. Here circle is, first circle is S. Length of tangent is equal to root S11. Here second circle is denoted by S dash. Length of tangent is equal to root S dash 11. Length of tangent to first circle is equal. Here is first circle is S. Length of tangent to root S11. Second circle is S dash. Length of tangent is root S dash 11. But here length of tangents are equal. So what is the condition? Root S11 is equal to root S dash 11. This is a given condition. Here a point P is moving such that length of tangent from P to the circle 1 and 2 are equal. So length of tangent to the circle 1, length of tangent from point P. Length of tangent from point P to circle 1 is root S dash 11. Length of tangent from point P to the circle, second circle is root S dash 11. Here given equal. So root S11 is equal to root S dash 11. Root S11 is equal to root S dash 11. Okay. Root S11 squaring on both sides. S11 is equal to S dash 11. S11 is equal to S dash 11. S11 is equal to x1 square plus y1 square plus 8x1 plus 12y1 plus 15 is equal to second circle. S dash 11 is equal, this is S dash 11 is equal to x1 square plus y1 square minus 4x1 minus 6y1 minus 12 minus 12. So x1 square get cancelled, y1 square get cancelled. X1 square, y1 square get cancelled. Plus 8x1 here minus 4x1. Take this one left hand side. 8 plus 4, 12x1. Here 12y1, here minus 6y1. Left hand side plus 18y1. 15 plus 12, 27 is equal to 0. Dividing by 3. Dividing by 3, 4x1 plus 6y1 plus 9 is equal to 0. Here, locus of P x1 y1 is find locus of P x1 y1 is. So replace locus of P x1 y1. Replace x1 by x, y1 by y. Replace x1 by x, 4x. Replace y1 by y, 6y plus 9 is equal to 0. This is the final answer. Locus of P x1 y1. Replace x1 by x. Replace y1 by y. Next problem. Next question. if a point P is moving such that the length of tangents drawn from P to the circles drawn from P to the circles x square plus y square minus 4x minus 6y minus 12 is equal to 0, and the second circle x square plus y square plus 6x plus 18y plus 26 is equal to 0 are in the ratio 2:3. Are in the ratio 2:3. Then find the equation of locus of P. So in first year, PA is to PB is equal to 2:3. Here, S dash. So root S11 given condition. First year PA is to PB is equal to 2:3. Root S11 are in the ratio. Root S11 is to root S dash 11 is equal to 2:3. This is the condition. Here condition is root S11 into root S dash 11 is equal to 2:3. First, let the point P is moving such that length of tangent from P to the circle 1 and circle 2 are in the ratio 2:3. First, let P x1 y1. Let P x1 y1. First circle is S. S is equal x square plus y square minus 4x minus 6y minus 12. S dash is equal second circle x square plus y square plus 6x plus 18y plus 26 is equal to, this is S dash. Length of tangent from first circle root S11. Length of tangent from second circle root S dash 11. The ratio is 2:3. That is equal to 2:3. Is 2:3. So given condition is root S11 is to S dash 11 is equal to 2:3. So is to means by root S1 by root S dash 11 is equal 2/3. Next 3 into root S11 is equal 2 into root S dash 11. Squaring on both sides 9 into S11 is equal to 4 into S dash 11. 4 into S dash 11. Students, 9 into S11 x1 square plus y1 square minus 4x1 minus 6y1 minus 12. 4 into S dash 11 is equal x1 square plus y1 square plus 6x1 plus 18y1 plus 26. Multiply by 9. 9x1 square, 9y1 square. 9 into 4, 36x1. 9 into 6, 54y1. 12 9s are 108 is equal 4x1 square, 4y1 square plus 24x1. 18 into 4, 72y1. 4 into 26, 104. Next, 9x1 square minus 4x1 square, 5x1 square. 9y1 square minus 4y1 square, 5y1 square. Next, minus 36x1, here 24. Take this value on left hand side, 36, 24, 36, 24. 60 minus 60x1 minus 54y1, 72y1. Take this one left hand side, 54, 72, 126, minus 126y1, next constant, 108, 104. So minus 212 is equal to 0. But problem is locus of px1, y1, locus of px1 comma y1 is locus of px1 y1, replace x1 by x, y1 by y. 5x square plus 5y square minus 60x minus 126y minus 212 is equal to 0. This is our final answer.